Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you pan fried taro root. And typical Punjabi we call it Arbi, and it's very tasty and very delicious. I'm going to use 1 pound Arbi. What I've done, I peeled it, I washed it and cut into thin slices. With the paper towel, I pat it dry. White onion, 2 teaspoons ginger, garlic, green chili paste. All other spices are half teaspoon each. Coriander powder, red chili powder, cumin powder. Garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, carom seed, ajwain, cumin seed, jeera, dry pomegranate seed, anardana, olive oil and fresh cilantro. And let's get started. Start gas and keep gas on high. Bring olive oil 2 tablespoons. You can use any vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'm going to bring taro root, Arbi. Saute our Arbi. Once it's going to start changing the color, then I'm going to take it out, make it tadka, and then we'll mix it again. You keep turning, they don't get burned at the bottom. So it will take some time. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. I'm still cooking on high gas and keep turning, and this is perfect. Now I'm going to bring the gas on medium and I'm going to pull these out. And now we're going to prepare our tadka. This is a carom seed ajwain, cumin, jeera. The oil is really hot. I'm going to bring the gas high again. Ginger, garlic paste, and we just want to give like a 10 seconds. Good. We'll bring the onion. Mix it well. Make sure that our onions are nicely transparent. So we're going to cook them well. So keep moving. Cooking our onion for 3 minutes. It's nicely translucent. This is perfect. You don't want to overcook it because we're going to cook along with our Arbi and then they're going to cook more. And now I'm going to bring all the spices. Cumin powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. Salt, turmeric powder, garam masala. We're going to hold on anardana. So we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring the gas to medium and I'm going to bring Arbi. This is the one we took it out earlier. So we're going to mix it well. This is looking very delicious. I'm going to bring anardana, which is dry pomegranate seed. You always can substitute with amchur or lemon juice. Once it's nicely mixed, we're going to spread it evenly. Cover with the lid. And we're going to cook only 2 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 2 minutes. I'm going to open the lid and mix it well. Our dish is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. And the last ingredient, cilantro, dhania, coriander leaves. Mix it well. And once it's nicely combined, we're going to take it out. Our dish is all ready. I have my serving bowl ready. This is so delicious. Our quick and easy pan fried Arbi is all ready. It's very tasty, very delicious. It's so healthy and so nutritious. Please try it, and if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.